In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Skool community. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a community is permanent, so make sure you really don't need the group, its posts, or its members anymore, or that you've backed up anything important. First, open your browser and go to your Skool dashboard. You'll want to be logged into the account that actually owns the community you want to delete. Once you're on your main Skool page, look for the community you're managing and click into it so you're inside that specific group's area, not just on your general profile. Inside the community, look for the settings option. This is usually located in the navigation area at the top or side of the page, depending on the current interface. Click on settings to open up all of the configuration options for your group. This is where you control everything related to your community, including billing and management. Next, inside the settings area, find and click on the billing section. Billing is where Skool manages your subscription and payment details for that community. Since deleting a group is tied to your subscription status, this is the place where the delete option will appear. Within the billing section, look for a button or link labeled Delete Group. Click on Delete Group. When you do this, Skool will not delete your community immediately. Instead, you'll see a notification that explains there are a few conditions you need to meet before the group can actually be removed. The message will explain that to delete your group, you must have fewer than 10 members, remove all admins and moderators, and cancel your group subscription and archive your group. Skool enforces these steps for security reasons so that communities aren't removed by mistake and so that people have time to prepare for the deletion. Take a moment to read that notification carefully. When you're ready, click on the Got It button. After that, go ahead and follow the 3 instructions from the message. Reduce your membership to under 10 people by manually removing members, remove any remaining admins and moderators, and make sure you cancel the group subscription and archive the group as Skool directs you. Once all of these conditions are met, Skool will allow you to complete the deletion process. At that point, your community will be fully removed from the platform, along with its content and member access.